Azure Farms is looking for a maintenance mechanic. Someone with a good sense of humor to actually get paid to come hang out with us. The qualifications are not much. If you can hit a few of these, that'll be great. I don't expect you to hit all of them, because that would mean that you're probably 170 years old. We got some heavy equipment repair and maintenance, dozers, excavators, heavy haul. We have small engine repair and maintenance, like your weed whackers, chainsaws, and lawnmowers. We have farm implement repair and maintenance, just a farm. We do have this monthly facility maintenance. We have a flour mill. We have a chocolate factory. Not really. It's a carob factory, but chocolate explains it, all right? Oh, we have a hardware store, and we don't really have a bank either, but it was a bank before we got hold of it. We have a lot of non-commercial vehicles, cars, vans, pickups. We have some commercial vehicles. We do have a few other mechanics that take care of like forklifts and pallet jacks and stuff. But if you have any expertise in this, it'll be a huge plus. There is housing available if you have to move from out of state. We can talk about that if you're interested. There's a really fun, culture in working up here. It's a family farm. There's about 85 kids and a couple of grandparents and a donkey or something all running around up here. It's just fun. You'll never know what they're going to break. If something bad happens, you can come up to the other shop and talk to us, and we'll just laugh about it. It's better than strangling someone, so it's a great job. You should do it if you've got the skills. Can you fix these? I'm just kidding. Can you fix these? Oh, I already did. How about those? Oh, and there's that one, the snowplow. It needs fixed. If you've messed with these, which is a plus. Don't know if you can fix lawnmowers. That's helpful too. All spare parts down there. Apparently calcium is bad for the grass. Oh, can you fix this? Can you fix one of these? This would be your house. It would be fine if a person were to take about 2 weeks to organize this. But there's a few tools that all need sort of organized. You think you could fix that? Actually, that engine's pretty good shape. It just needs to go in. Just needs a little paint and maybe some upholstery. There's the upholstery. We've given up on most of this stuff down here. The Bobcat is totaled. That one's missing an engine. Lots of spare parts still. This thing's pretty good. The flywheel flies off every once in a while, but it's sticking on pretty good. Maintenance, little grease, some oil. We weren't too worried about fixing our riot control machine. Lately we've become more concerned, so I don't know if you can fix this. You think you could fix this? It's missing a few parts. It ran pretty bad when we parked it here. The squirrels moved into this turbo. Needs new batteries. She's almost ready to go. How about one of these? This one's actually been modified. It's got the Cummins in it now. So it's a super go-getter. This tire is shot. Other than that, this thing's about ready to roll. Do you think you could fix this? Maybe a little body work? Yeah, we're kind of kidding about that one. If you can fix windows, it wouldn't hurt. There's all kinds of shapes and sizes around here. And this thing needs a little love. Oh shoot, you could live in this one. A water truck. It needs some love. It's probably a solenoid. You have to take all these batteries and arc them out, and then the thing will start. I guess that's not normal. There's this poor thing. It's only been parked there for 5 minutes, and look at that. It needs some love. Maybe you could even fix this. It still spins, but it doesn't go anywhere. Then there's this thing. We're not even done building it yet, but I'm sure it'll need to be worked on. There's no manuals. You can put a few zip ties in the Tesla, or you could get the big stove running, but you will never be bored. Greenhouses like this one, but it has a pump, circulates hot water out of that big stove, and valving system and all that good stuff, and temporary repairs that have been here for 2 years. When you can't find the parts, you make them. You got all the tools for that if you got the know-how. V16 diesel generator of some kind. It's got a 300 kW generator on it, and it needs some wiring and controls and stuff. Hopefully you have common sense and don't really need signs like that. Sometimes I think people don't take us very serious, but we're actually serious about this. We do have a job. I am actually the projects and maintenance manager. You would be working on my crew. There should be a phone number or something, wherever you put those kinds of things. Give us a call if you're interested. We would welcome you aboard.